nobody's going to hire you as a business analyst. Nobody will, even if you are a developer or something, they will not hire you as a business analyst because you need certain amount of qualification for that and certain amount of knowledge at first. Then I switched, during that time, I switched to another company where uh, business analyst work means it was very intensive and should be highly depth in the knowledge. Because when I faced the interview, they started asking me very, very core questions about business analysis, what uh, regarding how to take requirements and stuff like those. So then I thought that if I'm going into this role, I should have proper knowledge from a proper person, from a person who has experience in this field. And I was looking out for all the options. So one of my friends, and even if I Googled, I found that this tech canvas at the top. So I thought let me try what it is. So I uh, just applied, just just Googled it and gave my phone number and everything, how we give it in the form in Google. So I got a call. Then that person actually guided me to Nazni, I think Nazni, and then she told she yeah, she guided me about the entire procedure, how the things would be, how the classes will be. It will not impact your Monday to Friday schedule. It will be on Saturday, Sunday. So I wanted something because we are working, right? We cannot give the time for entire day. So I was like, okay, Saturday, Sunday, every Saturday and Sunday, 2 hours each we have to give at the morning time at classes will be some, there are some schedules in the, you need to tell me according to your convenience what time you are going to give. So then I took then I paid all the entire money for this, and then I started the classes at the first only. When I took the classes, I was very confident that no, um, yes, this is the right way I am going. So I only knew what it was when I, because when I started the training, no, I got the difference that what I am working and what I was working till now as the role of a BA without this knowledge was, so I was, this is so wrong way I was going. And this is the right way, how it should be, how they guided me everything. And after each class, they used to go tell us to go through the BABOK book. And in that book, I went through that book, and like all of my doubts, what were there when I was working in my mind, whatever doubts were coming there, I it got resolved. And in the next class also we can ask about all the doubts. And the session is so practical. It is so practical that the hands-on and everything what they give here in Techcanvass, it is, it's not difficult, I'm saying, but you have to invest your time and you will get out of it.